The number one debtor in Nigeria is Aliko Dangote. He's the wealthiest man in Africa. If you want to know the number one debtor in the world, it's in the United States of America.
Honestly, this message from Cosmas Maduka, the founder and chairman of the Costaris Group, this man speaks wisdom. It's something else, like it's one of those things you just need to hear. If you're a business owner, today's video is for you. But not just business owners, no. This is for entrepreneurs, students, salary earners, anyone at all who wants to grow financially and mentally. I truly recommend today's video. Listen carefully because what this man said, oh my goodness, a lot of people don't know this. He drops serious wisdom like, I actually learned something new today that changed my whole perspective. I'd pay just to sit in a seminar where this man is talking. The experience, the mindset, the raw truth he shares, oh my goodness, it's on a whole new level. Okay, enough from me. Let's hear directly from the man himself. Cosmas Maduka has something to say, and trust me, you want to hear this one.
The number one debtor in Nigeria is Aliko Dangote. He's the wealthiest man in Africa. If you want to know the number one debtor in the world, it's in the United States of America, and you call them the richest country of the world. As you admire them and believe all of those things, it's all credit. It's all about credit. So you should leverage on loan, but the truth is that you have to have a good structure that will support that loan so that your creditors will have confidence to continue to lend you money. When I started business, I started with a capital of 200 naira with my senior brother, and within 6 months we differed in ideology and broke out, and the capital I had when I broke out with my brother is 316 naira. I went to African Continental Bank to borrow money. So the first loan I went to ask in African Continental Bank was for 1,000 naira. They told me I have to turn over, that my turnover has to be big before they give me money. I told the manager he should give me loan, I also turn over and he will see I'm doing well. So African Continental Bank loaned me 1,000 naira. I went to my office that day, I drew the 1,000. I haven't sold anything. Before that evening closed, I went back to Africa and paid 250 naira. So because I'm trying to do the turnover. And then the following day, before I closed, I went to pay 500 naira. I've returned the 750 out of their money. I haven't done anything with it because I need to do turnover so that they give me another one. The following day, I returned back the remaining 250, 1,000 at turnover. Then I wrote a check again. I did that for 3 months and I noticed the money remains 750 naira. I put my two hands in my head and say, Jay, is that how they borrow money from the bank? And I returned that money. Please listen, leveraging on borrowing does not mean taking more loan than your capital. I will advise you, don't borrow more than 20% of your capital if you are trying to take a bank loan.